Imagine yourself in this Kia 2019 Sedona LX. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 276 horsepower, 3.3L V6 DOHC engine with variable valve timing, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, air conditioning, audio controls on steering wheel, automatic transmission and Bluetooth. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.